Okay, let's continue with constructors and destructors in base and derived class. Alright, a constructor in a destructor and in a base and derived class. Derived class can have their own constructor and destructor. Okay, when an object of derived class is created, the base class constructor is executed first, okay, and followed by the derived class constructor. Okay, when an object of derived class is destroyed, its destructor is called first, then of the base class. Okay, here is the example where you have the base class here, with its constructor, and this one is destructor, yeah. And here is the derived class declaration where you have derived class constructor and derived class destructor. And when we create a derived class object, okay, let's see what happened. Yeah, if we run this program, okay, even though we just create an object of the derived class, okay, what will happen is actually, okay, the base class constructor is executed first. Okay, so from the bottom, from the derived class, it will go up to the base class first. Okay, execute the base class constructor first, then only derived class constructor executed. Okay, and then so when the program is going to end, okay, here when the program is going to end, what will happen is the derived class destructor will be executed first, then the base class destructor. Okay, the program is here, okay, exactly the same as the example in the slide. Okay, in this program, yeah, we have this base class constructor, base class destructor, derived class constructor, derived class destructor. Okay, so when we create a object of derived class, okay, let's see what happened. Yeah, okay, you just create the object of derived class. Okay, so it will execute the base class constructor first, then derived class constructor. Okay, before, okay, let's see this one. Yeah, so here we will now define a derived object here. Okay, and then we create the object of a derived class. Okay, what will happen is this is the base class constructor, so the base class constructor will be executed first, then derived class constructor, then go here. The program is now going to end. Okay, before it exit from this program, the destructor will be executed, the derived class destructor will be executed first, then only the base class destructor. Okay, and then finish. Okay, so that is the sequence of execution. Okay, the sequence of execution for a inheritance relation. Okay, anytime when you create the object of the derived class, the system will go to its base class first. Okay, look whether there is a constructor of the base class. Okay, so if there is a constructor of the base class, then the constructor will be executed first, not the derived class constructor. Okay, finish for that one. Yeah.